Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Bloop versus the Gran Maja. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Gran Maja versus Bloop, let's begin with the Gran Maja. So let's start right up here, and we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin by making a circle shape for one of the eyes. Then I'm going to make two smaller circle shapes right here. And then I'm going to make a little bit of a bigger one right here. Next, let's draw a little line that kind of curves right around the big circles there. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come up and down. And then we're going to make a couple bumps and then another one right here just to kind of show some detail above the eye. Next, let's kind of bring this line down here, and then we're going to kind of curve it around. Then we're going to do the same thing, just kind of curve this not as far and then bring it down right to about there. Next, let's start here by drawing a line that's just going to come up. We're going to bring this over and then down to here. Next, we're going to bring this line down to right about here. And then we'll bring this line down just a little bit. Next, we're going to draw like the gums. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of come around here, a little bit bumpy, and then up. And then we're going to put some teeth on here. So we're going to make some sharp teeth right across here. Going to keep them nice and skinny. We're going to make them really, really sharp, though. We'll go right to about here. Next, I'm going to just kind of bring this line over. And we're going to bring this up to about here. Then I'm going to make another row right here that's kind of bumpy. And we'll put another row of teeth in here, make them really sharp and pointy, just kind of really skinny. And we're going to put them really close together. So we got those really sharp teeth in there. Next, starting here, we're just going to kind of curve a line that's going to come down for kind of the back of the mouth. And then same thing here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And we're going to curve it around up to here. Next, starting right here, I'm going to bring a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm going to bring another line that's going to curve down here. And then I'm going to bring this line right to about here. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve a line up. And I'm going to make a few more kind of curved lines right around here, just to show that the Gran Maja is just kind of like rotating around. Next, over here, let's kind of, before we draw any more of this, let's kind of work on Bloop a little bit. So I'm going to start right over here, and I'm going to begin by just kind of making a line that's just going to go down and kind of curve around. We're going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve here for the eye. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around here to start the top of the head. I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to make this line kind of curve around. And then we're just going to bring this down here. I'm going to curve this here. And we're going to bring it up a little bit. Next, right here, we're just going to make some sharp teeth right across the top. And then we're going to make some sharp teeth right across the bottom. Then let's just curve a line that's going to come up here. Then we'll make another line that's just going to curve down. Then right here, we're just going to kind of curve this around and bring it up here. Then right by the eye, let's draw a little line right underneath it. We're going to make a couple more little lines that just kind of go right under here. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's just going to go down. We're going to bring this up and then back for the flipper with a couple little lines around it. Now, starting here, let's continue with the El Gran Maja. Let's bring this line up to the mouth. And then let's add a couple more little lines. And then we're going to bring this line up to here. We're going to make another line right here by Bloop, and then we're just going to bring this line down right towards the flipper. Then we're just going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring this down. And then starting right here, we're going to bring this line down to here. Then right past the flipper, let's bring this line out and then back. Next, we're going to make another line underneath Bloop. And then we're going to bring a big curve line up. And then we're going to make some more lines that curve this way. We want to really show that Bloop is really big as well. So I'm just making these kind of extra little curve lines around here. Then we're just going to make a couple little curve lines like this. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. And we're going to bring this down. And we're going to bring this line down and then up. Then we're going to bring this line over. Next, right here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up. And we're just going to bring this down for like a little bit of a fin on there. And then we're going to make a little broken line right along here, just kind of add some detail onto our El Gran Maja. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down here. And then we're going to add a couple more little curved lines on there. We're going to make a couple broken lines here, and then a few more little lines right around here. I'm going to make a couple little broken lines kind of coming down right by the Bloop. And we're just going to kind of fill up the body with a few of these, just to kind of give him a little bit of texture. And even a line or two by his mouth. Then we'll put a couple little lines right by the El Gran Maja's mouth. And then we'll make a couple little lines coming this way too on the eyes. And then we're just going to make some little quick broken lines kind of right on the inside of the mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of the El Gran Maja versus Bloop. Let me know in the comments who you think would win, and let me know if you'd like to see some more videos like this. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.